statement, Madam Chair, yung sa macro, sa micro, but even sa macro kasi ang nagsasabit sa NEDA, yung department. I'll give you example halimbawa this was the pandemic and DOH believed in ivermectin, di ba? And wanted to buy 10 billion worth of that medicine. And all the sciences was hazy, walang naniniwala doon, and Congress disapproves it. Do we mean to say that all DOH has to do is to bring it to NEDA, mag-agree sila, utangin nila, tapos magulat na lang tayo 3 years later na kailangan natin magbayad ng 10 billion kasi in-approve. So again, this is not just for the DPWH, and just make it a case in point. Because I do have a, I'll be very honest, Secretary, because I trust, I honor you, kilala kita, but I have a little bit of a trust issue with you right now. Because last year, we had a coffee date. Sabi ko sa iyo, Secretary, magpupuyat ba tayo and isa-isahin ko pa ba to sa budget hearing o mag-uusap na lang tayo? Sabi mo, anong concern nyo, Senator? Sabi ko, yung Laguna Lakeshore Highway, during the time of Pinoy, PPP yan. During the time of Pinoy, kami ay kinonsulta sa Senado, kinonsulta ang local government, kinonsulta congressman, hindi nyo kami kinonsulta. You said you will go to my office. I said, no sir. We will all go to your office. January, pumunta sa iyo si dating Deputy Speaker Rani Abu, who's my Chief of Staff sa CA and agreed to help me for a time being. Pagpunta niya sa iyo, sabi mo, Rani, hindi tuloy ang project. Nag-hearing tayo last month, tinanong ko kayo. Sabi mo, ay, gusto kasi ni Presidente, kaya tuloy. Sabi ko sa iyo, Secretary, hindi ma-approvean ni Presidente yan na wala kayong memo to the President na hindi niyo tinulak. Ang Presidente kahit may gusto, magpapa-complete staff work yun. So umabot na tayo today, wala pa rin ako narinig sa inyo. So pasensya na po tayong lahat, I have to ask these questions. So did you consult the City of Calamba about this project?
Currently, Mr. President, the City of Calamba was actually, the representatives were consulted.
Okay.
But of course, that's just what they tell us.
That's okay. I'll take their answer face value. Did you consult, ano pa bang dadaanan? Dadaanan ba San Pedro?
All the LGUs that will be
So hindi ko na isa-isa.
part of that route
Okay.
was consulted.
So kung kinonsulta niyo lahat, bakit hindi niyo kinonsulta? 8 kilometers ang dadaanan sa Taguig, sisirain yung buong view ng lakeshore ng Taguig.
Mr. President, supposedly, there were meetings conducted by DPWH. The City of Taguig was represented and led by Engineer Eric Castro, Ms. Lou Ancheto, Engineer Jericho Arsenio Flores,
Yes.
and Engineer Jerome San Pedro,
Madam Chair,
Secretary Senate.
they sent me a letter stating that. But yung aking coffee date with the Secretary sa Sofitel, I told him that, Mr. Secretary, ang consultation, tatanungin niyo sila sa project. Tatanungin niyo maganda, ano. Hindi yung sasabihin niyo, eto plano, ano po yan niyo. So sinabi ko na, sinumbong ko na sa inyo, Mr. Secretary, na ang ginawa ng mga taong yun, nag-appointment, tambak ng pera, ng dokumento, pero hindi tunay na consultation. So let me ask you this. Saan magla-landing yung Laguna Lake highway sa Taguig? Saan kayo mag-e-exit? Sa Bikutan, tama ba? Sa Bikutan ba kayo mag-e-exit? Yes or
Mr.
no?
President, there's not conferring with each other right now. Mr. President, supposedly sa lower Bikuta.
Yes, sa papunta dun sa General Santos Avenue, tama ba?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Huwag na natin yung kahabaan ng General Santos Avenue, ha? Yung lang intersection ng ML Quezon at General Santos, less than 1 kilometer. Ilang minutes na traffic sa ngayon? Alam nyo ba? Doon ako nakatira, kaya alam ko. At sinabi ko kay Secretary, it's 30 minutes for less than 1 kilometer. Hindi pa todo rush hour yun. Kaya sabi ko kay Secretary, may problema tayo doon. Baka kailangan nyo maglagay ng flyover. Ito problema. Ang DOST hindi basta pumapayag sa flyover kasi may mga equipment sila doon na pag nag-shape, naapektuhan. Kaya hindi sila pumayag sa subway. So, paano nyo kayong sasabihin sa Koreano at saka sa ADB na okay plano nyo, okay consultation nyo, gagawin yung 2 oras traffic namin, lipat yung opisina nyo doon, kayo tumira doon, gagawa kayo ng highway, sasabihin nyo sa lahat ng taga Laguna, 15 minutes, 30 minutes na lang. Eh, hindi nga makakatawid ng kalye ngayon ng 20 minutos eh. O anong original plan nyo dyan? Hindi ba 4 lane lang yan? Ang panahon ni Secretary Villar, pinakiusapan ko siya, huwag niyong ituloy yung isa niyong rota. Bakit? Ilang libong ancestral house ang gigibain nyo sana? 1,600. So nilipat niya sa General Santos. Ginawa niyong 6 to 8 lanes. Despite that, traffic pa rin ngayon. So aanin natin ang highway dyan. Ilang lanes yung highway?
Mr. President, I think this is a very detailed consideration. No, but I would like, and also to help our colleague, I would rather that the representative from DPWH answer it directly. So I would like to request that we suspend.
Mr. President, may I
ask for immediate suspension, Mr. President?
session suspended?